All right, boy?
Yes. Good.
How do you do it? I went into a situation full of optimism, full of naivete. I got burnt. Look at me. Like smack on a fucking spoon.
Well,
How do you manage?
I don't know that I got off so lightly.
We all got our demons. Aiden O'Malley.
What about Aiden O'Malley?
I heard he's being moved. Maybe this is our time. Put all this crap to bed. Get off the drugs. Live with the memories. Aiden's being moved by van from the bacon factory. He's been talking shit about me. Back to the Albany State Correctional Facility. Please, Nico, boy, just this last one. Please.
Sure, Derek.
You and me. We're the same. The same. The same. We're the same, you and me.
Nico, I hear my brother Derek is asking you to ice his old drinking buddy Aiden O'Malley.
Yeah, he has. What's the big deal?
O'Malley is in government custody. He's got more police protection than the mayor. I left a truck with a rocket launcher in it for you in an alley off of Applewhite in Alderney City.
A truck with a rocket launcher in it. What am I meant to do with him?
Who knows? Anyway, the convoy with O'Malley in it has to go through the Booth Tunnel. You're gonna get there first and block the road with your truck. I'm gonna come in from the rear and block them that way. Pick up the truck and give me a call.
Alright, what's going on everybody? Because I'm Sensei here, bringing some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions. This is the mission called Tunnel of Death. So, this is the one where you gotta kill Derek's drinking buddy, Aiden. And this is a really cool mission actually. So, as you picked up the phone call from Packy, you head to this location to pick up this truck. And of course the rocket launcher that he provided for you. So as soon as you went to pick up this truck, just drive to its location, which is extremely slow to get there.
Alright, I've got the truck. When we have him blocked in, we take down the escort and make off with the prisoner. Why don't we just kill the fucker there and then? That's probably what Derek would have told you to do in his smacked out state. Problem is, he's the first one they talk to if that happened. We gotta make this look like a prison break. Great! They're leaving the old cop shop now. Should be at the Booth Tunnel soon.
Alright, there you go. Sweet plan. And now you just have to head off to the Booth Tunnel to block it off. Now this does take a while because of this truck. Really slow. But anyway, I thought now, as soon as you reach here, just head off to block it off. Here it is. See the arrow there that I missed. And come on, it was there, just block it off. Here we go. Let's park it here. Sweet.
I'm in position, Packy.
Alright man, we're coming to you. Take out the escort, but keep Derek's pal alive.
What's this jerk think he's doing? Hey, Mitch, can you find out what this guy's up to?
Alright, there you go. So as soon as the police stopped,
Hey, buddy,
do this. Let's do this. So what I did was I just pulled out the RPG and let's blow up this vehicle. Let's go. Oh, and I missed. Got this one, blow up this one. Cause a lot of havoc. Kill as many officers as possible. But make sure you don't blow up the fan that Aiden is in it. So you just read by the on the map, see the red markers on the map. All you have to do is just get rid of them. Simple as that. Just kill all of them. Try to get closer to him. He's in cover. Where is he? Oh yeah. Oh, take this car out. There it is. That's it. Now just one more guy now. There's one more guy, and then we can move on and take out to basically take Aiden out of here.
Just give me a reason.
There it is. Oh yeah. Alright, that's it. So once it's done, just get into the vehicle. There you go. Just get into the vehicle and just drive off with it.
Get rid of this
Alright,
attention,
go,
Nico.
go, go.
We don't want anyone after us while we're doing what we gotta do.
Now, this is the difficult bit now because you are on a 3 stars and all the police will be chasing you in this vehicle. Of course, it will take a while for you to get rid of because it's not like you could go to a paint spray. But eventually, once you've got rid of them, you just have to take them to this destination right here. So, let's go. Oh, okay. Okay, so I decided to, yeah. Need more space, need more speed to ram this ramp down. Here we go.
Great, we've got some transport. You're not free yet, asshole. Get in that car.
All right, Nico. Now that we lost him, we gotta go out to the cliffs and leftward.
Alright, here we go. Now just take Aiden to the cliffs. Up and leftward. Okay, so just basically just follow the trail to its destination. To basically finish him off, really. So let's get to here. This is the cliff.
Out you come, old boy.
The cliffs, the sea air, I really am free. I could cry. You've made me a happy man, boys. Now it's time to tell me who asked you to do this.
Derek McCreary. He's my brother.
Derek? But he ratted me out. He's the reason I ended up in that place to start with, the spineless...
So you thought you'd talk about him. He's my brother, and guys like you are killing him. Nico, get rid of dear old Aiden.
Alright, there you go. So I just pulled out a shotgun and gonna point it to its head. And there you go. Mission passed. $7,500. And that's it. And Packy ran away with the car. Wow, really? Okay, so that's it. Mission done. Sam says here. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm out.
Aiden is dead.
That's the end of a chapter. I can close the book on a whole lot of my past now, Nico. Thanks. Maybe a clean break is in order. A fresh beginning.
Good luck to you.